how do you make friends in college? It's pretty simple, I think, okay? Get a job, right? There's other people. Get a job, join 3 clubs or other similar activities, and go to as many events as possible. Job, clubs, events. All right, so let's see. So what do I mean? So get a job, all right? My college friends are actually the people that I worked with in college. That's not the people I had classes with. My friends, from when I think about my college friends, they're the people I worked with in college. And in fact, those people weren't even college students. They were grown-ups several years, 7, 10 years older than I was at the time. So get a job, and you're in this thing together with the people you're working with. No matter what the job is, you're going to make friends with them. But the closer the job aligns with your career goals, I think the more likely it is you are to remain friends with these people, right? I think if you meet them working as a dishwasher in the dining commons and you don't expect to go into the hospitality industry, I think if you did expect to go into that industry, you would meet people like that in that job and you'd get more out of it, right? So, you know, the closer your job aligns with your career goals, the more friends you're likely to make, right? Okay, so then you're going to join some clubs, all right? So I would always suggest you join one club for your favorite thing, whatever that is. Okay, colleges have hundreds of clubs now. Every college has 300 clubs, right? One for your favorite thing, one for a thing you've always wanted to try, and one wacky new thing, all right? So thing to remember about joining clubs is, you know, don't be afraid to get super into it. You're like, oh wow, do I really want to like be this? Do I really want frolfing to be this big part of my life? Maybe I do, right? Don't be afraid to get super into it. Don't be afraid to drop it entirely, right? You go to the LARP club thinking it's like something other than what it is, and you're like, oh, this is not for me. Don't worry, you don't have to go back, okay? And then don't be afraid to try like some weird stuff, something that sounds like silly and a waste of time to you, because whatever weird thing sounds stupid to you at your college, there are 100 people who are super into it and know more about it than you ever could, and it's fun to learn from those people, all right? So finally, you're going to go to as many events as you can, okay? There's events out the wazoo in college, like, and they're more often than not free, okay? Free music, free movies, free art shows, free hikes, free talks, free opportunities to make the world a better place. Okay, there's a lot of free events. Okay, go to that stuff. And remember that you'll have better conversations with new people at these events if you do it after your schoolwork is finished. Okay, get your schoolwork done during the hours of the day in which your brain is working well, like, you know, morning-ish to dinner time-ish, and then after dinner, go do fun stuff. You'll get more out of it if you don't have an 8-page paper hanging over your head that's due the next day while you're out watching this free movie, right? Okay, so you like the sound of this. You're saying, this sounds great. Okay, college, yeah, that sounds great. Like making friends, okay, got it. But how do I get a job? If I need a job to make friends, how do I get a job? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like to talk further, I'm available for one-on-one video calls on Praxi. Just use the link.